Hello students, I am Ashok, your English teacher here present with a new video for you again. I hope all of you will be fine at home and will be following the guidelines and instructions of government to avoid the risk of COVID-19. Today I will discuss diary entry from writing section. In this video we will learn about what is diary entry, what to write in it and how to write it. We will also come to know when to write the diary. So let us start the discussion with the question, what is diary entry? Diary writing is one of the most personal and informal categories of writing. A diary writing can be based on an experience, a scene, a description or narration of certain event or any other thing or activity that the writer considers worth writing in his personal diary. So diary is a personal and informal piece of writing, and we write our personal experiences and whatever we think about a particular situation in diary entry. In the examination, the question of diary entry is aimed to test students' imaginative, creative and expressive skills. So in examination, the purpose of giving such kind of question is to test students' imaginative, creative and expressive skills. What to write in the diary? Start with the morning. So you have to start the events of the morning in the beginning. Describe how it went and do not leave out any detail. You have to describe the event and not to leave any detail of that event. If you have a special grudge against somebody, have no fear in expressing it. Means you have not to fear any feel any fear against somebody if you have a special grudge about him. Move on to the afternoon, then the evening and finally the night. Means you have to write the incidents in sequence. Always say good night in the end and promise to tell more later. So these points you can follow to write your diary. Best time to write. Try to write your diary at night, because in that way you can describe the entire day and schedule. There is no point writing a diary when you wake up, because the only thing you can write about is your dreams. So best time to write the diary is at night. Steps to make your diary expressive and interesting. Open with a general sentence describing day or momentary feelings. You may mention an anecdote, how you feel about it, how it might affect or has affected you. Conclude with final remark or future course of action. So these steps you can follow to write the events in your own diary. Open your heart. Means you have to write everything, whatever you want to write in your diary. Understand the diary as a living creature. Don't think that diary is a non-living thing. Consider it a living creature, your best friend, silent confessor or witness. Trust your diary with anything, even your biggest secrets you can share with it. Do not write bluff. Means you have not to write those things which never happened. You have not to write bluff. Means true things should be written in the diary with pure heart. Keep in mind these things while writing your diary. Creativity, imagination and expression in diary writing are tested. So from point of view of examination, you have to keep these things in your mind. Your diary should be creative, imaginative and expressed in better way. You should write as if you have really been a part of the situation. So when we go through the questions are there, and we have to use our imagination to express our feeling, and you have to look like that you were the part of the situation. It is written in the first person, so you should use I, because diary is a personal document and you have to write this in first person. One does not write about things experienced on a daily basis. Only matters of some significance are recorded. Means all events are not to be share with the diary. Only those things should be written in the diary which are important and has any significance. This is the format. You have to mention day, time, date, then salutation should be there, like dear diary. Write what happened, how you felt, keep the language simple, use first person. This is the body of the diary entry, and these points you have to follow. And in the end you have to write there a leave taking phrase, and you have to say good night if you are writing your diary in the night. Why for now, your name should be mentioned there, and in that way you can write diary entry. See, there is an example. You are Suresh Rama, you have been on a visit to Udaipur. You decide to write diary entry after having visited a few places of exquisite beauty and charm. Write your diary entry in about 150 words. So these are the places you have visited: city, palace, museum, Fateh Sagar Lake, Kumbhalgarh Fort. So you can use these details in your answer. Now see how this detail has been added in the diary entry. In the beginning, day is given, then time is written there, and date is also written. Heading is given to the diary entry: enchanting places. Dear diary, when I planned to visit Udaipur, I had no idea that Udaipur is a little jewel settled in the crown of Rajasthan. It is a scintillating wild wonder, gleaming among lakes and hills. It has rightly been described as the most romantic spot in Rajasthan. The city palace museum, made of exquisite marble, has sparkling white filigree balconies and windows and octagonal towers. Fatehgarh Sagar Lake, which I visited yesterday, enchanted me like nothing else. Set up by Maharana Fateh Singh and surrounded on three sides by hills, the lake offers a marvelous serene landscape. My visit to Kumbhalgarh Fort, built by Maharana Kumbha, was no less exciting. I wish I could settle here somehow. Good night. Bye for now, Suresh. So, in that way, you can write diary entries question. Now, see, it is your homework. Share your feeling with your diary in 100 to 120 words about your meeting with an old friend after a long time. This is your homework. So, that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.